Alrighty, so Dylan is working on his BZ today. He has been working on the engine bay, tightening all the wiring and everything up, neatening it all up a bit. So the inside. So all that was all loose and messy. So it's still sitting on the floor there for now, but I'll zoom this thing out. Big GT42 turbo. So what's next, Dylan?
Now I'm re-cutting the bullhorn to make it fit so I won't scratch it, because it's been too low and it's been scratching all the time. So I'll lift that up and I'll recut it.
Yeah, so just modifications on the bullhorn there to get it a bit further off the ground.
That's about it. And then just a couple of bits and pieces for spring nuts.
Get it all a bit more presentable for spring nuts. Okay, so you can see the bullhorn's got quite a large gap through here, which makes it really low to the ground under there, didn't it? It was rubbing on the ground. Bit of a look underneath, 60mm turbo smart wastegate. Crossover pipe. But yeah, the aim is today is to get this bullhorn shortened up in this section here to get it, or get ground clearance. It's pushed back a bit now. It doesn't normally sit there. It normally sits back around here. Probably about there. So, yeah, close this gap up here. Bring all of this up, because this bit here was scratching on the ground. So, I just filmed that without the mics on. Yep. There's no, unless my phone picked it up, but anyway. So there it is, we've extended, I shouldn't say we, all I did was clean up edges and give moral support. Dylan has done it all, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you'll see the picture there, he's cut the in an angle to kick it back a bit more, and it brought it up a lot closer to the body of the car. And then just it was 40mm?
Yeah, it's 30mm.
30mm. 40. I think it ended up being 38 after I cleaned the edge up. 38mm extension in it to bring this out, because before you could not get your hand in here. So yeah, we've got a bit of clearance there now. Now what I was going to say before is we were going to dyno this today, but it's gotten late. 2, the lead we need is in the VX, and the VX is at home. So a dyno today won't happen. We'll dyno it one night during the week. We're going to get the tune a bit better, because the car is going in the street cruise at SpringCar Nat this weekend. The VX will be there. We're having a trade stall at SpringCar Nat, so if you want to come have a look, come down. And the other reason to come and have a look is the goodie bags. We have a heap of goodie bags. Alrighty, so come to SpringCar Nat if you're coming to SpringCar Nat this weekend, come and see us we're having a trade stall. I'm not sure where we're going to be yet, but come see us, have a chat, look at the cars. We have a stack of goodie bags from VPW, ProFlow. You got bloody hats and stickers and pens and all sorts of shit. Crow Cams gave us a heap of goodie bags, and whatever else we might have there. So, but yeah, come down. We're going to take 2 cars in the street cruise, and show off the core ECU. Yeah, so that's about it. So come see us at SpringCar Nat this weekend. A bit dusty at the minute. Swing it, man. We'll get them cleaned up for the weekend. You alright? We're just going to drive around the yard and see how we go for clearance on the ground. Well, boot's open. Just hear it tinging on the ground, just slightly. It still is close. You notice the boot's open. It's just catching some of them rocks there. Should get us through the SpringCar Nat weekend anyway. I reckon next time we'll, the next one will be made out of oval tube. you want to watch this car progress, check it out on Instagram, blue_VZ1. Yeah. No flames. All right. We'll do a dyno video next. Let's go home.